Did you know that video content gets 1,200% more shares than text and images combined? If you're not leveraging video, you're missing out big time. We all know that creating videos is crucial for grabbing attention, but the process is daunting and time-consuming. You might spend hours brainstorming, scripting, and editing, only to end up overwhelmed by the whole experience. Ignoring this issue is like choosing to sit on the sidelines while your competitors race ahead, engaging and expanding their audiences with ease. The longer you delay, the more opportunities you miss to connect authentically with your viewers. Enter Vidnami. It's the game-changing software that allows you to turn any article or script into a professional video within minutes. No more struggling with complicated editing tools or spending a fortune on video creators. First up, Vidnami's intelligent text-to-video technology lets you effortlessly convert your script into a stunning visual story. Simply paste your text and watch your video come to life. Next, you have access to a vast library of over 790,000 video clips and images, so you can keep your content fresh and relevant without the hassle of sourcing materials yourself. Vidnami users have reported a 200% increase in engagement and conversion rates. And with thousands of glowing reviews online, it's clear that Vidnami is a favorite among content creators and marketers alike. Ready to revolutionize the way you create videos? Head over to Vidnami's website now to start your free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your content and captivate your audience.